Our planet is filled with strange and fascinating places, but some are so baffling that even science has no solid answers. From forests that swallow sound to underwater ruins that defy history. These 10 mysterious locations continue to puzzle experts and ignite the imagination of travelers and researchers alike. For decades, locals in this remote valley have reported floating balls of light appearing in the sky sometimes. For hours, these glowing orbs move in ways that no aircraft can replicate, and scientists have been studying them for years. Some theories suggest ionized gas or piezoelectric effects from quartz-rich rocks, but none explain why the lights appear so regularly or behave so strangely. It's so isolated that the closest humans are usually astronauts orbiting above. Radios stop working, compasses spin wildly, and even birds avoid the area. In 1930, an entire Inuit village reportedly vanished without a trace, leaving food on stoves, rifles in place, and no signs of struggle. Inside, scientists discovered dozens of unknown species that thrive in toxic air filled with hydrogen, sulfide, and little oxygen, despite being completely sealed off and lacking sunlight. Life evolved in alien-like ways. How it developed in such isolation is still a scientific marvel. Some believe the story is folklore, but others claim it was a mass disappearance never solved. Whether the answers lie in science or something more mysterious, they remind us that the world is still full of wonder and maybe a little magic. The bizarre shape isn't caused by genetics or known natural forces. The water retains its vivid color year-round and doesn't change when removed from the lake. Unlike other pink lakes, it's not solely due to algae, and the salt content isn't abnormal. No single theory can fully account for the color, just that it's stunning and unexplained. Some suspect early human manipulation for shipbuilding or aesthetics, but no records explain who or why. What is odd is that there is no nearby volcano or geothermal activity to justify this kind of heat. Local legends speak of a serpent spirit, while scientists remain stumped. It's a river that seems to defy every rule of geology. The Twisted Grove remains one of Europe's strangest natural puzzles. To this day, no concrete evidence explains what happened, often compared to the Bermuda Triangle. This desert region has strange electromagnetic properties no one can fully explain. Some even report unusual lights in the sky and other paranormal activity. Scientists have tested the soil and magnetism, but mystery still reigns. Yet this location has sparked conspiracy theories, including strange signals and unexplained mechanical noises recorded from its depths. Could something man-made or otherwise be lurking far beneath? Get ready for a journey to the weirdest corners of Earth, where the rules of nature seem to break down. Discovered in 1986, this massive stone structure lies beneath the sea off Yonaguni Island. One side of the waterfall flows into a visible river, while the other vanishes into a deep hole and no one knows exactly where it goes. Scientists have tried dyes, trackers, even ping-pong balls, but everything seems to vanish without a trace. Is it a hidden underground cave system? Or something even more bizarre? It features right-angled terraces, steps, and flat surfaces that seem too precise to be natural, leading many to believe it is the ruins of an ancient civilization, possibly over 10,000 years old. But mainstream science insists it's a natural formation. The debate rages on. First up is the Hessdalen Lights in Norway. In Japan, there's the underwater enigma known as the Yonaguni Monument. The Devil's Kettle in Minnesota is a waterfall with a disappearing act in the Pacific Ocean. Point Nemo is the most remote place on Earth, literally called the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. The zone of silence in northern Mexico is like nature's mute button. Lake Anjikuni in Canada holds one of the most chilling disappearances ever recorded. Muval Cave in Romania is a hidden world cut off from the surface for over 5 million years. Deep in the forests of Poland lies the Crooked Forest, where about 400 pine trees grow with unnaturally curved trunks, all bent at a 90-degree angle near the base. At the heart of Australia sits Lake Hillier, a bubbling pink lake that baffles scientists to this day. And finally, the boiling river of the Amazon in Peru flows at near boiling temperatures for over 4 miles. Hot enough to kill instantly, these places prove that even with all our knowledge, There are still corners of the earth that refuse to give up their secrets.